Premiere Pro, how to make audio voiceover sound better. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Learn passive income concepts, click the link down below. Let's say you have an audio clip or you would like to make the voiceover sound better. This is a test on how to make audio voice sound better. It's quite simple. There's a couple different ways you can do this. If you click G on your keyboard, we're going to adjust the audio gain by 5 or 10 decibels. See how it made the audio sound louder? If you don't have this, right click and click on audio gain. This is a test. You can already notice a difference. The next step, go to the top left hand screen, click on effects. If you don't have this here, go to window on the top left hand screen. Make sure effects is check marked. Under the search bar, type in bass. Underneath the audio effects folder, click right here. Drag this on your audio track as it turns color green. Go to effects control panel. Right here underneath bass, make sure this is dropped down. Right here, click, type in 5. So we've now successfully increased the bass. This is a test on pretty subtle. The next step, go to effects, type in treble. Do the same thing, drag this down below. Effects control. You can make this a little bit louder than the bass of your choice. This is going to increase the vocals. This is a test on how. This is also quite subtle, but if your audio is a little bit too loud, let's say it peaks, you want to go back to effects, type in hard space limiter, drag this down, go to effects control. Simply put, this hard limiter, this free audio effect is going to make your voiceover sound better. If you click on edit, underneath defaults, you want to make sure this is -3 or -6 so the audio does not peak. This is a test on how to make audio or should I say this is the before? This is a test on how to make audio voice sound better. And this is the after. This is a test on how to make audio voice sound better.